Day 2 in Aqaba. I'm a little bit tired. The call to prayer started at 5 o'clock this morning. I think it's every Wednesday morning in Jordan, because it happened last Wednesday when I was in Oman, where there's just these songs that are played for about an hour, really loud on loudspeakers at the mosques in every city. Really loud. So yeah, a little bit tired. All right, guys.
How are you?
How are you?
Thank you.
Ali.
Ali.
It's my friend Ali. How you doing, Ali?
Thank you.
You got anything to say to YouTube?
Yes.
Yes, good.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Have a good day.
Okay.
Have a good day. Let's just see what today holds, the rest of today. See if I get followed by any strangers again. Hopefully not.
Where are you from?
England. England.
Welcome.
Thank you. What do you want to say to YouTube?
Esther.
Isha.
What?
YouTube. YouTube. Yeah.
Welcome.
All right. Thank you, sir. It's October the 1st today. October 1st as I'm filming this, and 35 degrees. Unbelievable. Those guys have got a great idea. Tables and chairs, bit of food. Hello? What's that? No, thank you. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Thank you. Have a good day. No, thank you. No, thank you.
My friend,
Hello?
I would price for you, the glass bowl.
I'm okay. Look at this place, absolutely rammed. You can get falafel for less than falafel sandwich for less than a dirham. So for nothing, basically free, and it's really busy. Super cheap. Just one falafel? One falafel sandwich?
What the bread?
Sorry?
Bread, what the bread?
With all of this. Okay.
What's the bread?
Any bread you choose.
شلونك؟ اخوك احنا جماعة المخدرات مش زراير مستعجلين زمان صار الشباب
87 وين؟ 87 على الجريد ايوه على الجريد هون بكون جاي
حبيبي قول
Just a normal bread. Normal bread. The normal bread.
He's asking about the type of the
Yeah, the normal.
You want more traditional
Regular.
type?
Yeah, regular.
88.
One, yeah. One. Okay. Chocolate. Spicy, please.
لك 88 4 عادي. كل شطة ممزعين.
Shukran. Thank you. No, not me. Shukran. Wow. So this cost me maybe 50p, maybe. Nice little falafel wrap. Amazing to see them at work, those guys. Super busy, very round. Good, very good. 50p falafel. That's the cheapest food I've had in Jordan so far. Fantastic. If you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a like and give me a subscribe as well while you're at it. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Right, getting ready for scuba diving. What a place. Beautiful blue waters. Man, oh my god, just did the diving, scuba diving. Absolutely loved it. Totally smashed it as well. Took me a while to get used to the breathing. It takes a minute for your brain to get used to it. But I was loving it. the coral reefs and the fish and everything you see under there, it's like finding Nemo. It was so incredible. And I was scuba diving for at least a good 30 minutes non-stop. Had an excellent instructor. First time I've ever done it. Man, I absolutely loved that. That might have been one of the best things I've ever done. My ears are still clogged. But wow, had a great time. That was scuba diving in Aqaba. Yeah, this is my YouTube. I make YouTube. Say hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can speak. Say hello. Yeah,
Hello. How are you?
And your name?
Farouk.
Farouk.
I am driver from Jordan.
Best driver in Jordan.
Yeah.
Farouk.
I want to go to diving to Aqaba.
Oh, the best.
Yeah.
Look at the views.
Yeah, very nice.
Beautiful.
This is Elad.
Elad,
Palestine.
Israel.
Yeah. Rush, another.
You like it there? It's good.
This is
It's nice. So you're saying you drive to Saudi Arabia?
yeah, to travel.
Oh, just for holiday?
Yeah. To travel Saudi Arabia and Aqaba.
Where in Saudi Arabia?
Saudi Hakel, Tabuk, Jeddah, Medina,
Okay.
Riyadh, Dubai,
Okay.
Wajh, Sharma,
Wow.
Neom,
Everywhere.
yeah,
You like Dubai?
Qasim, Ta'if.
What's the best?
People go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where do you like? Is Dubai? Do you like Dubai?
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah. I never been. Okay. Have you ever been to England? No. It's very cold. Very cold. Very cold. Man, I'm still buzzing over the scuba diving I did this afternoon. My ears are still ringing, full of water, but the best. If you're ever in Aqaba or you ever in Jordan, just go to Red Sea in Aqaba, go scuba diving. You will not regret it. Anyway, I'm gonna get some food because I'm starving after having that 50p falafel earlier. But look at that for a view. Last night in Aqaba, trip's coming to an end. What an experience. It's not bad actually, is it? I know I've been slagging off Aqaba a little bit, but it's not bad. Look at that. Not bad at all. Oh, the beach is rammed. Everyone's come to see the sunset. Hello. No, thank you. No, thank you. I'm okay. Glass boat? I've just been bloody scuba diving, mate. Hello. I've just been scuba diving.
Give you special price.
I've just been scuba diving.
No?
Just this afternoon. I'm good. Nah. I'm good.
Very good.
I've just been scuba diving. I'm just so happy that I've been scuba diving. I want to tell everybody about it. Hello. I'm good. How are you?
You need speedboat?
No, thank you.
Glass boat?
No, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Have a good day. People enjoying some shisha here on the beach. That's a good idea. Shisha on the beach. Oh, there are some white people. My God. First white people I've seen in 2 days. Look at this guy here. I think he sells pomegranate juice. Let's have a look. Hello, mate. Can I have one? Is it pomegranate? What juice? What is it? Juice. Tamarind. Look at that. Shokran. That is very impressive. No. Just one? It's okay?
No, I give you change.
Oh, okay. Shokran. It's cheaper than 1 dirham. Okay. Thank you, my friend. Good night. Good night. It's okay. No problem. Did he say tamarind? I thought it was pomegranate. That is delicious. That's really nice. Very cool and refreshing. And that is all she wrote for Aqaba. Thanks so much for watching. Interesting old place is Aqaba. It's worth coming for a day, maybe 2 at the most. Definitely come for scuba diving. Still can't get over that. And anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. I'll leave you with the one of the big mosques in Aqaba. I don't know the name of it, but it's an important mosque. Doesn't it look beautiful? Thanks for watching. Good night. Just one final thing for the video. I had to share it with you. I bought another beer, Falcon Ultra Strong Beer, 18%. This might be a mistake. I might live to regret this in the morning. Let's give it a quick taste. Oh God. Yeah, that's gonna send me to sleep.